Let me say something that might ruffle a few feathers. If you are posting testimonials randomly on your feed, that is not a strategy, you're just making noise. If you are treating testimonials like some feel good confetti instead of conversion assets, you are leaving money and momentum on the table. Today, I'm going to show you how to use this testimonials strategically to build trust, bust objections, and turn browsers into buyers without sounding like you're bragging or begging. Hey, my name is Saeed Mohsin, founder of Boss Agents Academy, where we help real estate agents and entrepreneurs attract clients consistently using content, automation, and systems that scale without cold calls, burnout, or guesswork. And if you have ever said to yourself,
you have happy clients, but no clue how to turn that into more business. You don't want to come across as arrogant by posting testimonials. You share your reviews, but they don't get engagement or leads. Or you have got screenshots, but they're just sitting in your phone.
Then today is for you because social proof isn't just about showing love, it's about shaping belief at the exact moment someone is thinking, can this person really help me? So let's talk about what most people get wrong. They screenshot a review, slap a heart emoji on it, post it on a Tuesday with no context and hope for leads. Here is what that doesn't convert. Number one, no relevance. You are sharing the praise, but not who it is for or what problem was solved. Without context, your audience doesn't see themselves in the win. Number two, no placement strategy. Testimonials get posted once and forgotten. But the real power is in embedding them across your client journey, on your landing pages, on your nurture emails, in your direct messages, in your sales calls, and more. Number three, no objection tied in. Testimonials should kill objection. Not just say, you are great, but show, I had this fear and they helped me overcome it. So the key isn't more testimonials, it's more intention. Inside of Boss Agents Academy, we teach our clients to use 4 types of testimonials. So you might want to write these down. Each one tied to a specific belief your client needs to have or your clients need to shift before they convert. Number one, identity testimonials. Use when someone thinks, I'm not the type of person this works for. These showcase someone like them, same life stage, same fears, and same objections. So one of the examples I can use when it comes to attracting agents, so the testimonials, identity testimonials that works for attracting agents. I was a brand new agent with 0 leads and no tech skills. Now I have 3 closings lined up thanks to this system. Number 2, process testimonials. Use when someone thinks, this sounds good, but will it work for me? These highlight how your method is simple, supportive, and strategic. Again, another example for attracting real estate agents I can use of a testimonial that is process-based testimonial. I was overwhelmed by all the training out there. This was the first program that gave me one clear system and helped me implement it step by step. Number 3, outcome testimonial. Use these testimonials when someone asks, will this get results? These are your before and after snapshots with timelines, with revenue, with milestones. So another example I can use, and this is specifically for agent attraction, if you have a testimonial that says, I closed 4 deals in 6 weeks after setting up my funnel. I have never had that kind of consistency before. Number 4, character testimonial. Use these when someone wonders, can I trust this person? Now, these testimonials focuses on you, your integrity, your support, energy, and follow through. So another example I can show you of something that I have gotten when attracting agents, someone gave a testimony that says, they truly cared about my success. I never felt like a number. I felt like a partner. So you don't need 50 testimonials. You need 1 to 2 in each category, placed intentionally where your audience needs to hear them. So let's talk about placement. Number 1, on your website funnel, and not just a review page, you will place testimonials under where you are directly under where you are asking them to opt in for your lead magnet, or in the mid scroll on your landing page tied to your offer, or near buttons where you are asking them to take action. So an example call to action would be, thinking this won't work for new agents? Read how Amanda landed 3 closings in her first 90 days. Number 2, inside of your email sequences, drop mini case studies right before your pitch or call link. Use subject lines like how Sarah got 3 listings without spending money on ads, or from ghosted to 6 closings in 60 days. Number 3, in your Instagram stories and highlights, you can use the swipe to see how Amanda said or what Amanda said. style of punchy graphics, or you can turn reviews into polls by asking, want these kinds of results too? Asking them yes or send me more info. Number 4, in your direct messages and consult calls, you can have screenshots live when people raise objections. I'm nervous to invest. What if I don't follow through? Drop a screenshot and say, totally valid. Here is what one of our clients said when they felt the same way and what happened next for them. So this is not bragging. This is creating reassurance. Let me share a quick win. Our client Brittany had 20 plus 5-star reviews, but wasn't using them anywhere except Zillow. She said, I didn't want to seem pushy by sharing it anywhere else. So we helped her categorize 8 reviews into identity, process, outcome, and character reviews. Turn them into Canva code cards and 3 short reels. Embed them into her funnel and weekly email series. Within 3 weeks, she had 22% higher opt-in rate on her funnel. 2 buyers said your stories and reviews made them reach out. And a major confidence boost for her because now her content was speaking for her, not just from her. So let's get technical. Here is what I want you to do this week. Step 1 is to organize. Go through all of your past reviews and screenshot folders. Sort each one of your review into identity, process, outcome, and character reviews. Step 2 is to create. Use Canva and ChatGPT to turn those into story slides, caption codes, email inserts, and direct message response cards. Step 3 is to place. Add 1 testimonial on your funnel page, inside your email automation, to your IG highlight or pin post, in your call script or your calendar booking reminder. Remember, proof does not work unless it's seen, and seen in the right moment. Now imagine this. You are not just telling people what you do, you have got a lineup of past clients telling that story for you. You are not just people are not just liking your content, they're saying, I saw what you did for them, can you help me too? And instead of awkward pitching, you are leading with quiet confidence, backed by real results, real voice, and real trust. If you want my testimonial strategy toolkit with 10 plug-and-play templates, placement map, and post prompts, drop the word proof in the comments and I'll send it over. Because it's not about collecting reviews. It's about converting with proof. Let's make your wins work twice as hard and turn every happy client into best marketing asset for you. I'll see you on the next video.